You're probably wondering why a YouTube instructional video on loading a dishwasher properly takes 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. What matters is that you learn to do it right. After you watch this video, you'll know how to load your dishwasher properly. You'll never need to watch another dishwashing video again. So consider it tuition. The first thing you'll need is a dishwasher, obviously. If you don't have one, why are you wasting your time? You'll need some dirty dishes, too. But since the nature of our kind is to consume and to eat past the point of satiation, past the point of being full, you probably have a sink full of dirty dishes right now. I know it. Clean the filth from your home before you even begin to judge me. My dishwasher is orderly, regimented, correct. It is a bastion of fortitude, righteousness, purity, cleanliness, beset on all sides by the likes of you. How dare you try and learn my secrets? Passed down for generations. Ever since the invention of the dishwasher. So one generation, but generations have died so you could have this convenience. And you have the audacity to be ignorant of such a modern convenience. Your mother, your grandmother worked with calloused hands to clean the dishes from your mouth to the plate, from the plate to your mouth, getting the food all over yourself, all over the plate, all over your clothes, which she had to clean too. The depths of your ungratefulness know no bounds. That you have to learn how to use a dishwasher. 'Cause you never knew how. You make me sick. You are unworthy. You should have to climb the mountains and wash your dishes with soap you rendered yourself from the pigs you keep in the yard. Wash those dishes in a babbling brook of glaciated water before you come begging to me again. That's how you'll load your dishwasher. my friend.